This is Monaco.
It is a playground for one of the richest people in the world and most expensive cars in the world. The place is packed with supercars everywhere you go.
And this is the cheapest car that's gonna enter Monaco. Now we're having 4:43 and we are on our way. Darling. So our trip starts in Nauders, Austria. It's about 7 hours. Nice. See you on the first stop. So they got a little complications. There is a traffic jam right there. We've been staying here for around 30 minutes and I absolutely hate them. Ah! Come on! I'm gonna piss myself.
I drove and I parked my car in the nearest gas station. And the thing that happened changed the whole trip.
Our trip to Monaco just ended. Why? Come with me. As I was parking out, there was a sidewalk and I'm a fucking dickhead for this. This side of a car just completely fell apart. And now I don't want to open it up, but come closer. The whole part holds only on these plastic holders. What I forgot to mention was the help of a very amazing person in Italy that helped us to combine all the parts and make it together. We didn't understand a word, but we understood each other and he was more than willing to help us, even for free, what's not that common nowadays. We are on a halfway to home, that's also far away. We are on a halfway to Monaco, that's also far away. So we came up with other idea. Even though we couldn't make it to Monaco, welcome to Lago di Garda. Darling, send me, I know you, send me, darling. Even if our car is broke down, we're trying to make the best trip ever. So we got ourselves these huge ice cream gelatos. Follow me to the next destination. And now we are actually hungry. We're starving after the whole stress that we had with that car. So now let's find the best place in Lago di Garda where to eat. What you about to get? Sushi, pasta, pizza, or what?
Your dick.
Damn! I actually named this video the cheapest car in Monaco. And when I moved to Lago di Garda, I thought like I'm gonna be like average car. But as you can see, I guess the name could stay the same.
And with this, our trip in Lago di Garda ended. But there is one lesson I have learned during the day. If life gives you moments when you think giving up is the only option, then it's the right time to find a way out of it. Maybe it is the help of a random Italian dude or the trip with somebody you love. But there is still way out of it. So remember, when life gives you lemons, squeeze them to your eyes, so just you don't need to see the disaster. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe for more.